I was, I don't know, just a normal teenager. I never knew what I wanted to do. Didn't expect to be the buyer for a small local site and working the warehouse and managing a small team. My name is Amanda Barrientez. I am currently the material supply lead. So a lot of it is reviewing our ERP system to see what materials we need so that we can build material at a certain time to meet our customer requirements, but also part of the receiving, just making sure things are getting in the door when they should be and helping the team out when they need it. It's a small team, but everybody's really close and we work well together. The Gaithersburg site, it's a very diverse crowd. We do like potlucks, so everybody just brings in one of their traditional dishes and gets to try something new, and we all just get to learn about each other, different cultures. I actually started out with a small company that was acquired by Saint-Gobain, and we eventually came here to this location. At that time, I was doing shipping, receiving, did that for a couple years and decided to change it up a little bit. And I was the production scheduler. And then from there, I became our site buyer, which kind of led me to being the material supply lead. Being in the different supply chain roles made me realize I really do enjoy supply chain. Transitioning from the production scheduler to the buyer, there was nervousness there. I didn't know everything, but I had somebody that helped me, trained me. The good thing about Saint-Gobain is you have a large network of people and buyers at other sites who are willing to help and support. And as long as you have the right equipment, the support, you've got a team there. Don't be afraid to speak up and ask somebody for help if you need it.